Hey guys, what's up? Today we've got a hike and we are at Castle Rock State Park. The initial plan was to do a POV photography thing with the GoPro. I've seen people do it on the street, but I haven't seen people do it in a park yet. So I'm gonna try it again because this time around I forgot my other SD card for the GoPro. So it's been a bit of a mistake I've made lately. But we're gonna make the best of it and see what we can get today, yeah? I think we should hop on. So yeah, again, it's unfortunate I have to share an SD card between these two. So I probably won't be able to show you the actual pictures I'm taking when I'm taking them. The goal today is to kind of get pictures of mushrooms and cool fauna. It rained a little bit, but I don't know how much the rain hit over here. It looks like it hit a little bit. I don't think we'll have very much luck, in my opinion. Have gone almost no distance for a while. I'm gonna work on getting some B-roll soon. Okay, now I've got some pictures. I'm gonna switch cameras real quick. I think we're on the Saratoga Gap Trail. That's what this is. Basically, we go to it branches off, but this is the falls area. Getting some nice little sunlight in here. Warm this place up a bit. Yeah, so just moving along, taking pictures and videos and stuff as usual. We're not gonna be getting rain for a while, so I kind of missed out on some cool aesthetic stuff I wanted to get into, but that's alright. We try our best, right? That's all we can do sometimes, just try our best. You guys should see the tripod I have on here. And it looks ridiculous with me doing this handheld thing. It must look ridiculous. Thankfully there's no one really out here today. This little lizard dude doing his thing. He's chasing another lizard. It's quite funny. This is one of the bigger ones I've seen around here. They don't, it's rare to see them as big as he is. Okay, I'm kind of tired of trying to expose this correctly. I haven't taken a lot of pictures of bugs and reptiles and more bugs and reptiles, but I see this little lizard running up. He kind of interrupted me. I was going to do this. It's been a lot of freaking fun out here. I mean, it's kind of springtime, so everything's buzzing around. And this bee is taking a liking to me. A lot of lizards, way more than I've ever seen here, for sure. I was thinking of things to photograph or record for the spring, kind of summerish season, and I didn't know, I couldn't think of it, because obviously wintertime, fall, it's rain, orange things, pumpkins, but I was I've never shot in springtime, and it seems like it's birds, bugs, bees, and plants and flowers. which I'm totally okay with. Those are really freaking cool. I've gotten so many. I'll probably I might flash a few of them if I can somewhere, maybe not. For sure though, go to my Instagram at Royal Huey. Alright, so we were coming out of the trailhead here. Sorry, I forgot the SD card and couldn't do the GoPro stuff. Hopefully I supplemented enough. I had a lot of fun taking pictures. It was really nice coming here in the springtime. I haven't actually done that before. At least I can't remember when I did. So, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go ahead and check out my Instagram account. It's Royal Huey on Instagram. So I post pictures there, video stuff, even sneak peeks of stuff I'm doing for videos. So feel free to do that, and see you guys next time.